Thank you, Ella. I'm here outside Divine Word College of Legazpi, where Sarah Santos was last seen this afternoon, wearing school uniform. Witnesses reported seeing a man in his late 30s, approximately 5 foot 5 feet tall, with short black hair and a beard, forcing Sarah into white Ford Explorer. Authorities believe the suspect may be armed and dangerous. Joining us now is Sarah's mother, Carmela Santos, who has an emotional plea for the public.
Please, I'm begging anyone who knows anything or who might have seen my little girl. Sarah is so sweet and kind. She is my whole world. Tomorrow is her birthday and she was so excited to celebrate. Please bring her back home safely.